Today we're going to do a vocal warm-up that is perfect for daily use. These vocal warm-ups and exercises will get you ready to sing your best. I find that when I warm up my voice daily, my singing and my speaking is healthier and my vocal practice sessions are more focused and productive. Let me know in the comments what some of your favorite vocal warm-ups are. As always, let's start with a few focused, low breaths as we bring ourselves into alignment. I like to feel like I'm opening up the front of my body and balancing my head on top of my spine, and then release any unnecessary tension. Join me on a yawn sigh. Begin a yawn, but instead of completing that yawn, sigh out. A real yawn is okay too. One more time. Sven wants to remind you that singing should feel a little bit more like sighing, right? Let's start with a gentle vocal warm-up on hng-ee, like hng-ee. Here we go. Hng-ee. Let's glide now from the top of our range to the bottom on the sound spee. Spee. We're aiming for connection in the sound. Let's do that one more time. Spee. Now let's sing that sound on spee and go. I wanted to take a moment to make sure that you know about the mobile app that I've published for Warm-Ups on the go. It is commercial free, has some of my best playlists, and you can save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. Let's free things up with a lip trill and sing. Here we go. Now let's move to the following pattern, still on a lip trill. onto a hng-ee sound, like hng-ee. A couple of things. Number one, make sure that it does not turn into hung-ee. It's a very clean transition, hng-ee. Secondly, as we get higher, feel free to transition into a more open vowel like hng-a or hng-ah. Again, that sounds like this. Hng-ee, your turn. Hng-ee. We'll sing now on a cascading, relaxed va va va, like va va va. Here we go. Let's work in a little bit of flexibility now on knee. We'll sing knee. Check in with your jaw once in a while to make sure it's not getting too stiff. Here we go. Knee. And sigh down. I always like to check in and do a little bit of relaxation to make sure I'm not bringing in any extra tension. Now let's take that feeling of a relaxed sigh through our upper range as we sing I sigh to sing, like I sigh to sing. Let those lyrics remind you to keep a bit of a feeling of sigh in your voice. Here we go. I sigh to sing. 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 And one more sigh down. Thanks so much for singing with me. It's always a pleasure. I do hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app. The information is below. We'll see you next time.